Hi everyone. So we are on the way for a weekend getaway, and today it's a Saturday. So we thought that we will let's have an interactive session. It's about where to buy terrace garden supplies and plants in Bengaluru. So we have a terrace garden at home, and we grow vegetables. So we are still renewing a lot of vegetables now, but still we have a lot of fruits and flowering plants at home right now. And if you look into my Facebook and Instagram pages, there will be a lot of produce and harvest we have shared it with. And so now in another 3-4 days, we are also planning to renew our garden with a lot of vegetable plants. So in this video, you will know more about where to buy the Bengaluru, where to buy in Bengaluru. If you need a pot or a plastic container or a cocoa peat or seeds and all that. So a lot of information we are planning to discuss and let you know. So stay tuned. So the first thing, first I will tell whatever I know more about it, and I'll also over to my husband. He's a true Bengalurian, where he knows in and around about Bangalore. Next to my father-in-law, I would say. Father-in-law, he has roamed around Bangalore in cycle, and he knows before our Google map and all has come up. So he knows more about these gully and lanes and all that. And so is my husband also. He has roamed around in the bike. So he knows more about the places and where to buy and all that. And so we are on the Electronic City flyover right now. So first thing I would tell you is go to KR Market. So at the KR Market, Gandhinagar basically. So at Gandhinagar you can get seeds. Organic seeds are also available, and even the pots, plastic containers are also available. And specifically where to go and all that, my husband will tell you. And there are grow bags, right? Even the grow bags are also available in different colors. Whatever the kind of color you want, attractive colors are also available for you to place it in the terrace garden. And next comes is the cocoa peat. Cocoa peat is also available in Gandhinagar. Specifically, Gandhinagar is a complete road which is dedicated for all these gardening, farming supplies and all that. And if you need any tools to dig the soil and for cutting the twigs and all that also, everything is available in Gandhinagar. And for the drip irrigation also, you can go to KR Market. So since there is a bus here, so once we get into the proper place, I'll ask my husband. Yeah. So tell me now, where do you suggest that we can go for drip irrigation products?
Yeah, see, if you talk organic farming in totality, there are multiple things. For example, you would need seeds and cocoa peat, for which Gandhinagar is the best place. So there are a lot of shops which offer you different kind of seeds, etc., organic, or it could be company-owned seeds, etc. And then
at KR Market, no?
No, at Gandhinagar.
At Gandhinagar, okay.
And then once the seeds and cocoa peat is all dealt with, or organic manure, everything is dealt with, then you need to choose the type of container, whether you want to go with planters, or you want to go with the Syntex kind of water tank, or you want grow bags, etc. Grow bags are still available in Gandhinagar. But if you want to go for planter pots or bigger containers or Syntex tank kind of thing, you will have to go to Kumbarpet. Kumbarpet is a place where you will get different kind of planters, different shops which are selling wholesale planters, etc. And then if you look at the drip irrigation, you have to go to SP Road. SP Road has different shops which cater to all the different needs of drip irrigation.
Yes, that's SP Road is specifically for all the drip irrigation stuffs and all that. They will also guide you. There are small motors and all that where you can fit it directly, and it's all instant. Like you can fit it easily, and you can
it's all do it by yourself.
Do it by yourself. Yeah.
Okay.
DIY kind of stuff which is available for you for the kitchen gardening. And even for the apartment-based, balcony-based gardening, for anything, and windowsill gardening also, you can use a drip irrigation, so it will be easier for you. And for Bangaloreans especially, there are at least 70 to 80% of the couple in Bangalore work, is what I guess. So at that time, it would be easier for anybody who goes out and they would not be able to water the plants. Drip irrigation would be a savior for you. And for the seeds,
there are two more places. One is GKVK, but that's mostly it would be good only during the Krishi Mela kind of thing, where a lot of shops will have hundreds of shops.
Krishi Mela is like an exhibition where you get a lot of shops for seeds and lot of tools and pipe irrigation, drip irrigation stuffs and all that. And if you are in Bangalore during Krishi Mela, don't forget to don't miss it, and don't forget to visit that at GKVK. Yeah.
And other places, Lalbagh, open throughout the year.
Yeah.
Except for the days
for the plants, basically so for plants, grow bags, seeds, yes.
Seeds and all. And opposite to Lalbagh, West Gate, there is a very old, probably the oldest nursery in Bangalore called Devaraja, and it was started by the erstwhile It was started with the patronage of the erstwhile King of Mysore, one of the warriors. So that place has any kind of sapling for any kind of trees you're looking at. So that is, it's called Devaraja Nursery, opposite Lal Bagh Street.
Yeah. So at Devaraja Nursery, I still remember you can get even the exotic fruits, plants, and the flowers which are imported or also available in Devaraja market, and even the bonsai. So the bonsai plants are
At
also
very nominal
seen
cost.
at the nominal cost. So try it out, grow. Try to grow as much as possible at your terrace or balcony or a windowsill. And anything else you want to say?
No, that's it.
That's
Bye.
it. Yeah, try it out. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.